The Australian dollar has rallied quite strongly over the past few weeks, and the turning point happened when the market started anticipating interest rate hikes next year in late November. Tonight the exchange rate is 66.5 US cents, up from 64.5 3 weeks ago. Now the odds are zero of anything happening at all tomorrow after the RBA meeting that started this morning. But market punters are now 50% convinced that there'll be a rate hike by the June meeting and 100% convinced there'll be one by December. It all changed with the monthly consumer price index for October released on November the 25th, revealing that inflation was 3.8%, which was a shock to all. The only question for tomorrow is whether the statement supports the current thinking that the next move in rates is up sometime in the next 12 months. Meanwhile, the US Federal Reserve meets tomorrow and Wednesday, and markets are expecting a rate cut to be announced then, with 2 more cuts expected next year, which is why the American share market has gone up in 9 of the past 10 sessions, including a fifth of 1% on Friday. The Australian market fell a bit today following 4 rises in a row, with falls by the banks and miners, gains by Telstra and CSL. And finally, the copper price hit a new record high over the weekend because of panic buying ahead of a possible US tariff on refined copper, on top of the 50% tariff on copper products that was announced in August. And that's finance.